we are going to candle the eggs. I haven't told you guys what they are. Nobody's guessed either. Somebody's got to guess. Remember, they're very expensive eggs. They're very expensive birds. We will probably never have them on this farm again. Okay, it's going to get dark for a minute. Nice and dark. Plug the incubator. And it's something I've never, ever, ever hatched. Ever. Not even as a kid on my grandma's farm. Had a friend that had them. Ooh. Look at that. Those are some good veins. And that's a baby. And that's a moving baby. Brilliant. Healthy. Oh, I gotta put duck eggs in here too. Don't let me forget. Well, you guys can't tell me, but I do have duck eggs out there. Oh no. I don't think this one made it. Oh no. I'm pretty sure this one's gone. No egg, no veins, no movement that I see. Damn. That's unfortunate. Down to 5. This one looks good. Nice movement. Good veins. So frustrating when we lose them. And I think this one's gone too. Dang. And number 4. We started off with 9 viable. Watch out. And we're down to 4 so far. I don't think that one is good either.